Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Rostizador De Pollo is probably one of the most versatile and convenient kitchen appliances for anyone who loves perfectly roasted chicken, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming, especially when you're looking for that ideal balance of performance, durability, and ease of use to elevate your home cooking game. We've scoured the market to find the top contenders that promise to deliver succulent, evenly cooked poultry with minimal fuss, ensuring your family dinners and gatherings are always a culinary success. Number 5. NutriChef Multifunction Rotisserie Countertop Oven. Experience the ultimate convenience with this versatile countertop oven. Its powerful heating elements ensure even cooking for all your favorite dishes, from crispy chicken to perfectly roasted vegetables. Take full command of your culinary creations. Easily adjust the temperature up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for up to 60 minutes, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time without constant supervision. Achieve delicious, rotisserie-style meals right in your own kitchen. The built-in rotating rack ensures even cooking, delivering incredibly juicy and tender meats with restaurant-quality results. Don't let its compact design fool you. This oven boasts a generous 24+ quart capacity, perfect for family meals, yet it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space, making it ideal for smaller homes or apartments. Enjoy more time savoring your meals and less time scrubbing. Featuring a tempered glass door, stain-resistant surfaces, and an auto shut-off function, cleaning is a breeze. Benefit from 65 years of trusted quality and dedicated USA-based servicing. We are committed to providing you with reliable support for years to come. What we like. This appliance offers versatile cooking options, from baking to rotisserie. Its vertical design and generous capacity make it ideal for families or those who love to entertain. If you're looking for a space-saving yet powerful oven that can handle a variety of dishes, this is a great choice. What people say. The chicken rotisserie works great and cooks evenly, producing juicy and tender results. Easy to assemble and clean, making it a convenient addition to the kitchen. The rotating mechanism is smooth and quiet, ensuring a pleasant cooking experience. Number 4. Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2 18-inch Grill. Introducing the Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2, an 18-inch ceramic charcoal grill and smoker. It's designed for the ultimate grilling experience, combining premium features with exceptional performance. This grill comes complete with a premium cart, featuring locking casters and wheels for easy mobility and stability. Enjoy the convenience of a sturdy and movable cooking station. Unlock versatile cooking possibilities with the 2-tier divide and conquer system. Its unique multi-level design allows you to cook various foods at different temperatures simultaneously, making it a powerful tool for any culinary creation. Achieve precise temperature control with the control tower top vent. This patent-pending, rain-resistant vent ensures consistent airflow, allowing you to effortlessly manage temperatures from 225 F for smoking to 750 F for searing. Experience unparalleled ease with the air lift hinge. It significantly reduces the dome's weight, allowing you to lift it with just one finger for the most comfortable grilling experience. The innovative 6-piece amp firebox is designed to prevent breakage and enhance grilling efficiency. This advanced design ensures durability and optimal performance for all your cooking needs. What we like. Experience the ultimate in charcoal grilling with this ceramic cooker. Its unique cooking system allows for multi-level, multi-temperature cooking simultaneously. If you are a serious griller who enjoys the flavor of charcoal and wants precise control over your cooking environment, this is the grill for you. What people say. The construction is thick ceramic and has a beautiful red glaze. It's essentially a giant pottery cooker. The included divide and conquer system is an innovative way to maximize a cook, meaning that it allows for indirect and direct grilling simultaneously. The top and bottom vent work together to provide consistent heat through your cook. Once you learn how to work the vents to control heat, you can walk away with confidence that nothing crazy is going to happen. This pottery marvel keeps the heat better than any grill I've used. Number 3. Dreyoo Universal Rotisserie Grill Kit. Get everything you need for delicious spit-roasted meals with this complete outdoor rotisserie grill kit. It's designed to fit most grills, making backyard BBQs even better. The included motor provides a steady 2 to 3 revolutions per minute rotation, ensuring your food cooks evenly. This grilling option is perfect for juicy meats and preparing succulent foods for any gathering. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, this kit is built to last. Its strong forks can hold up to 20 pounds of meat, offering a healthier and sturdier cooking experience. Easily adjust the spit rod holder for different lengths thanks to its 5-slot design. The screw splicing on the roasting rods also makes storage a breeze. Whether you're grilling large or small cuts of meat, this rotisserie system is your reliable choice. Enjoy juicy roasts and flavorful BBQs every time. With an insulated motor shell and a waterproof on-off switch, it's designed for safe operation. It's also incredibly easy to clean, making your grilling experience hassle-free. What we like? This kit provides everything you need to turn your existing grill into a rotisserie. It's designed for universal fit and features a durable stainless steel construction. If you want to easily add rotisserie capabilities to your backyard grill for juicy, evenly cooked meats without buying a whole new unit, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The brackets are heavy-duty and worked great for my applications. Product works well on my oversized grill. Made yummy ribs today. Motor is smooth and strong. The multiple hardware mounts made the install super easy. Number 2. NutriChef Vertical Countertop Rotisserie Oven. Discover a versatile and powerful cooking appliance that helps reduce fat from your food. It's designed for efficient and even cooking, ensuring delicious results every time. Experience the magic of spinning-style cooking. This method ensures your food is cooked effectively and evenly, bringing out the best flavors and textures. Achieve thorough and safe cooking that retains all the natural flavor of your food. You'll love the perfect balance of crispy outsides and juicy tender insides. Equipped with dual high-powered heating elements, it offers simple rotary dial-style timer operation. Cooking has never been easier or more precise. Enjoy adjustable cooking timer selection, with a maximum of 2 hours. Plus, excess fat drains off by gravity, contributing to healthier meals. What we like? Enjoy restaurant-style shawarma and kebabs right at home with this vertical rotisserie. It's designed for effective and even cooking while reducing fat from your food. If you love Middle Eastern cuisine or want a healthier way to enjoy roasted meats, this appliance is perfect for you. What people say. Easy use and cleanup is a breeze. My roast beef and the chicken I've made were the best ever. No more buying expensive pre-roasted chicken. It was so moist and crispy. Great product. We use it for chicken weekly. Easy to use. Cleans up easily. This is a vertical rotisserie. It will take the same time as an oven. Place chicken on cone and press down until it can be slid into the unit. Alternative, the door is removable, also for cleaning. This isn't a super heavy item, so it's easy to move around or store on a top shelf or cabinet. Number 1. SPITJACK XB125C Whole Hog Barbecue Rotisserie Kit. Introducing the SPITJACK XB125C, your ultimate solution for whole hog and large roasts. This electric rotisserie kit is designed for power and reliability. At its core, this rotisserie boasts a robust 120W motor, ensuring consistent and powerful rotation for your roasts. It's built with high-quality standards for dependable performance. Engineered to handle up to 125 pounds, our system provides a safe and stable cooking experience. We prioritize your peace of mind, ensuring no surprises during your cookouts. Everything you need is included in this package, just bring the meat. From the spit rod to trussing hardware, it's ready for pigs, lambs, goats, turkeys, or chickens. Accommodate even the largest roasts with the generous 72-inch spit rod. Unlike competitors, ours is a sturdy 2-piece design for maximum durability. As the original designers, we offer dedicated service and support right here in the USA. Trust in our expertise for your outdoor cooking adventures. What we like? This is a robust rotisserie kit built for serious outdoor cooking. With a powerful motor and an extra-long spit rod, it's designed to reliably handle large roasts like whole pigs. If you're planning to host large gatherings or are looking for a heavy-duty rotisserie that can handle significant weight, this is the system you need. What people say. Motor is very strong. Has all the right things you need to secure the meat. Long spit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.